Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D, and I'm gonna show you how to edit the custom card menu on this watch. Basically the widget menu. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Now I'm gonna show you how to access the custom card menu. Basically, once you're on the home page, the current watch face, you can swipe left on the screen to go through the list of custom cards. And we have the custom cards like blood pressure, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, weather, and the sport stats or something like that. And we can edit this list. To do it, we need to open the settings. So let's swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel, then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the custom cards option. Tap on it, and here we have the list of custom cards, and we can do a couple of things. We can remove the custom card from the menu, so we can tap on the X button next to one to remove it. Come on, like this. You can add custom card to the menu by tapping on the plus button at the top, and then you can select one from the list. For example, I don't know, music. And then you can tap on OK. And you can also change the order on the list, so we can move them up and down. For example, let's say I want to have music right after the blood oxygen. So I'm gonna tap on this arrow next to music. Come on. Should move it up. Oh yeah, you need to hit it specifically. It's a bit wonky. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on SpO2, and now I have a music right below the blood oxygen, so that's where I want it to be. And that's about all. You can add, remove, and reorder the tiles or cards on the list. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And now when we go through the list of cards, you will see that the music is here right below, or rather right after the blood oxygen. And the health stats are gone. Okay, and that's how you edit the custom card menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.